Good morning, folks. Thank you for continuing with my channel. Wishing you all a great day. Just continuing for a few runs. The first run is about a new Google phone is reportedly in works with a ceramic back and 2K display, according to a tipster. As you know, the design of Pixel 6 was unique. It has a camera visor, which gives it a brand identity. But it seems Google is working with a phone with a ceramic material. As per digital chat station, Google has joined hands with Foxconn, the company that builds iPhone, to build a mysterious Pixel flagship. It might be called the Ultra, and the foldable as well. You know, it is surprising because Google shifted their manufacturing from China to Vietnam in 2020, but now it seems like they're coming back. Google has used plastic, glass and metal in their phone, never ceramic. So let's see what they're going to try out. But the tipster suggests it's going to be a 2K display with a central punch hole for a selfie camera. It should have a Tensor 2 chip. It'll have a 50 megapixel main camera and a periscope camera. And the telephoto camera set to be a Sony IMX7 87 64 megapixel camera. Let's see how it turns out to be, if it is true, because the Pixel Ultra has been rumored from the past 2 years, never came out. Let's see how it turns out to be. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.